How to buy a washing machine on finance in 2025. Are you planning to replace your washing machine or buy one for the very first time? In 2025, buying a washing machine on finance is not only easy but often the smartest decision, especially if you want to hike paying everything up front. This video is not sponsored by any company, retailer, or financing provider. What you're about to hear is independent financial guidance based on current trends in consumer behavior. More and more people choose to finance their appliances. Why? Because spreading the cost over several months allows you to manage your budget better. Instead of spending hundreds of pounds or euros at once, you can pay in manageable installments. That means you don't have to compromise on quality, features, or energy efficiency just because of a price tag. But imagine this. Your old washing machine just gave up. You're standing in your laundry room, looking at water on the floor, thinking, should I rush out and buy the cheapest model available? Or is there a smarter, safer way to get what you really need without risking your savings? Buying on finance in 2025 is usually straightforward. Most large retailers offer in-house financing or collaborate with external lenders. In practice, you choose the model, apply for a payment plan usually ranging from 6 to 60 months and get a quick decision. In many cases, you walk out with a washing machine the same day or have it delivered within 48 hours. The application process is fast, often online, and usually requires only basic information. Your credit score still matters, but it's no longer the only thing lenders consider. Thanks to AI-based financial technologies, companies now assess broader financial behavior, including your banking history, income stability, and even utility bill payments. In short, if you're financially responsible, you stand a good chance of and without a perfect credit score. Some financing plans offer 0% interest, especially on selected brands or during seasonal promotions. Others include buy now, pay later options, where your first payment is delayed by several months. Just remember, every deal has its terms. Look at the APR, the annual percentage rate, and the total payment amount. A seemingly cheap plan can cost you more in the long run if you're not careful. It's also essential to consider early repayment options, hidden charges, and penalties. Can you pay off the debt earlier without a fee? Are there extra costs for delivery or installation? Does the warranty cover everything you expect? Always ask these questions and make sure you get clear, written answers before signing anything. Now think about this. What if your credit score isn't great? What if a previous financial mistake is blocking you from buying what your family needs today? Is there still a legal, safe way to finance a washing machine without risking future debt? Many retailers now offer special solutions for customers with weaker credit. These include short-term rental plans with the option to buy later, low deposit installment systems, or flexible agreements that adjust to your monthly income. The key is to be honest during the application and to stay within your means. However, every offer is different, and every customer situation is unique. That's why you should always consult your nearest official representative. Whether it's a shop assistant, a store advisor, or a bank consultant, they can give you the full picture, including the most up-to-date offers available in your location. Financing isn't about delaying problems. When used responsibly, it's a tool that helps you make better, faster decisions without compromising on quality. In a time when appliances are more expensive but also more advanced, financing gives you a chance to access the latest technology with minimal stress. Replacing your washing machine doesn't have to be a financial burden. With the right plan and the right advice, you can get the appliance you need when you need it and pay for it in a way that suits your lifestyle. If this video helped you understand the basics of washing machine financing in 2025, feel free to subscribe to the channel and share your experience in the comments. Your voice could help someone else make a smart choice today.